China is pressing me na nandyan na yung armas, tatanggapin ko na apurado sila. Eh, marami pa akong gagawin. Sabi ko na lang kay Defense Secretary, sabi ko, puntahan mo sila doon at kunin mo na. I suppose that we can send some general to receive. Magkakahiyaan na eh. Nandiyan na yung armas, gusto nila ibigay. So it's really very easy for us. It be na pareho ang hindi na tayo kailangan maghingi pa sa iba because they're willing to give it. Hindi naman free, but it's a grant actually. If it's a grant payable in 25 years, that is really practically giving. Basta grant, tapos ang terms of payment, another 25 years extension, balibigay na yan. So it's obvious na gustong China magbigay sa atin.